Hello children, how are you? Okay children, now all of you take your science workbook. Do you have? You have with your science book. Okay, now take your science workbook. Look at the screen, you can understand science workbook. Practice come workbook. Children, open your workbook, page number 1. Okay, living and non-living things. Keep your finger and say louder. Living things differ from non-living things. Say louder. Living things differ from non-living things. Living things வந்து non-living things விட different ஆன ஒன்று. Okay. Living things move on their own. Living things தானாகவே move பண்ணும். Living things need air to breathe. Living things breathe பண்றதுக்கு air தேவை. Living things need food to grow. Living things க்கு வளர்றதுக்கு உணவு தேவைப்படும். Now you see the picture. First picture, mimosa plant. Leaves of mimosa plant close when touched. Plants breathe through stomata. Next picture, plants make their own food. Children, we learned in the book, yes or no? Previous class we learned, we know that. Next, living things feel changes around them. Living things feel changes around them. Living things ஆல அதோட சுற்றிலும் உள்ள எல்லாத்தையும் உணர முடியும். Living things reproduce. Living things வந்து இனப்பெருக்கமும் செய்யும் அதோட young onesக்காக. Now see, there is two picture. First one, plants grow towards sunlight. Sunlightல இருந்து அதுக்கு தேவையான அந்த brightness எடுத்து அது என்ன செய்யும்? வளரும். Next, hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Hens எல்லாம் கோழிலாம் என்ன செய்யும்? முட்டையிட்டு அதோட குஞ்சை அடக்காத்து அதை இந்த எக்ல இருந்து வெளியில கொண்டு வரும். Next, non-living things do not move, breathe, need food, grow, feel or reproduce. Living things move and need air to breathe, need food to grow, and it can feel, yes or no? Reproduce. But non-living things do not move, breathe, need food, grow, feel or reproduce. Children, turn next page. Page number 2. Yeah, now I know the chapter. I am ready for the test. Okay. Now, are you ready for the test? Okay, children. Now we are going to write the small test. Page number 2. Knowledge based question. For A, tick the correct answer. Shall we do it? The first one, leaves of dash plant close when touched. Children, one plant that you know that leaves, when we touch that leaves, it will close. What is that? Cactus, mimosa, sunflower. Which plant? Say. Which is the correct answer you want to tick. Okay. Second one, plants do not search for food because செடிகள் வந்து ஃபுட்டு தேடி எங்கேயும் வெளியில் போகாது, மூவ் பண்ணி போகாது. Why? Because they need only sunlight for growth. அதுக்கு sunlight மட்டும் அது வளரதுக்கு போதும். B. They do not move from place to place. C. They make their own food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Which is the correct answer? A plant that enough sunlight. Children, a plant, they need only sunlight for growth? No, they need the three things that you know. What are they? Which is the correct answer you want to tick. Number 3, dash shows plants can also feel changes around them. A plant kept in the shade will grow towards sunlight. B. Trees shade their leaves in autumn. C. Both A and B. What is the answer? Pick the correct answer, okay? Fourth one, fish breathe through dash. You know that fish எதை வச்சு அது வந்து மூச்சு எடுத்துக்கிடுது? First option, stomata. B. Gills. C. Lungs. You know that? Pick the correct answer. Fifth one, dash can reproduce. Which can reproduce? A. Book. B. Hen. C. Table. Which can reproduce? You tick the correct answer. Sixth one, dash grows and its shape and size changes. Pen, sapling, car. Which grows and its shape and size changes? You think and pick correct answer. Okay. Now B. Fill in the blanks. Plants breathe through tiny holes called dash. You want to pick the correct answer and take and write. Spiracles or stomata. Second one, a fish moves with the help of dash. ஒரு fish எப்படி மூவ் பண்ணும் தண்ணிக்குள்ள? Help of fins or wings. Which is the correct answer you want to tick and take and write on the line. Dash can move but not on its own. Children, third one, dash can move. ஒரு பொருளால மூவ் பண்ண முடியும் but not on its own. அதோட சொந்தமா தானாகவே அதால மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. Which is that? Bicycle or leopard? ஒரு இந்த டூ ஆப்ஷன்ல ஒன்னால தானாக மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. Which one? Bicycle or leopard? Children, next page. Fourth one, dash enable living things to feel changes around them. Dash enable living things to feel changes around them. Sense organs, breathing organs. லிவிங் திங்ஸால் எந்த ஆர்கனை வச்சு அதோட என்னது அதை சுற்றில உள்ள சேஞ்சஸை எதை வச்சு ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியும்? ப்ரீத்திங் ஆர்கன் ஆர் சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன்? யூ வாண்ட் டு திங்க் அண்ட் டிக் அண்ட் டேக்கன் ரைட் ஆன் த லைன். ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், எ டேஷ் நீட் ஃபுட் டு grow. A toy or a child needs food to grow. You want to think and tick the correct answer. Don't ask to anyone. You want to write your own. You think nicely. You know these all. Sixth one, insects such as cockroach and grasshopper have dash gills, antennae. Which is the correct answer? Insects such as cockroach and grasshopper have dash that help them to feel changes around them. Insects like cockroach and grasshopper. Grasshopper காக்ரோச்சும் எந்த ஆர்கன் வச்சு அதோட அரவுண்டில் உள்ள அந்த ஃபீலை எப்படி அதை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணணும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. கில்ஸ் ஆர் ஆண்டனே. விச் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்? ஓகே, டிக் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் அண்ட் டேக்கன் ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் சி. Match the column. First one, lungs. You want to match lungs. Second one, air holes. You want to match column B. Okay, fish or bird, otherwise insect. You want to write the number in the box. First one lungs, second one air holes, the third one gills. Fourth one wings. Wings. Fifth one antennae. And sixth one fins. Sixth one fins. Think nicely, then you can write the answer. Okay. Next, understanding based questions. A. Tick the true statement. Cross out the false statement. Okay. If that is true means you want to tick. Otherwise that is false, you want to put wrong. Okay. Cross. The first one, producing young ones is called reproduction. Is this correct or wrong? True or false? If it is true means you want to put tick. Producing young ones is called reproduction. Okay. Second one, the process by which animals take in and give out air is called breathing. The processing by which animals take in and give out air is called breathing. It's true means you want to put tick. It's false means you want to put wrong. Okay, cross. You think, you know that. Next, third one. Plants breathe through stomata present in their roots. Children, think nicely. Plants breathe through stomata present in their roots. Think nicely. Is it true means you want to put tick, otherwise put cross. Plants breathe through stomata present in their roots. Next, fourth one. Fish move with the help of their wings. Fish move with the help of their wings. Think nicely. Is it true means you want to give tick, otherwise give cross. Fish move with the help of their wings. Fifth one. Mimosa plant moves from place to place in search of food. Fifth one. Mimosa plant moves. Mimosa plant ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு மூவ் பண்ணுது for search food. It's true or false? If it is true means you want to put tick, otherwise give cross. Sixth one. Non-living things move only when someone moves them. Non-living things move only when someone moves them. Non-living things யாரா ஒருத்தர் மூவ் பண்ணாதான் மூவ் ஆகும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. If it is true, you give tick, otherwise give cross. Okay children, now B, circle the odd one. Okay, circle odd one. First one, goat, fish, table. They give us hint also. In the first one, there is one non-living thing. Okay, goat, fish, table. Second, gill, lungs, stomata. Gill, lungs, stomata. Plant. Third one, grasshopper, honeybee, crow. Here one odd one is there. Insect. You want to circle. Grasshopper, honeybee, cow. Fourth one, hen, dog, cat. Hen, dog, cat. They give us hint, eggs. Which is the odd one you want to circle. Fifth one, birds, insects, fish. Birds, insects, fish. Hint, fifth one, wings. That have wings. That is odd one. Sixth one, Bible, book, mimosa. Bible, book, mimosa. They give us hint. Sixth one, living, which is the living thing. Bible, book, mimosa. I hope you are all writing finished. Okay. Have you finished? Once again check, all of you. Children, turn next page. Page number 4. Question and answer. Children, this is your homework. Okay, you know that these are all questions you know. You want to read your book, then you can understand these all questions. First question, name them. A. 6 characteristics of living things. B. 4 breathing organs in animal. Second question, how do plants show movement? Write 2 examples. Third one, what is reproduction? How do birds reproduce? Give reason. Fourth one, give reason. Living things need food. You want to write the reason. B. Living things need to breathe. Fifth one, how do plants show growth? How do plants show growth? Children, these 5 questions, your homework. You know, you must write neatly. Tomorrow I will check your homework. Children, now take your book, take your science book, all of you. Take your science book. Page number 9. Take your science book. Not workbook, science book. Page number 9. Have you take? Okay. Ask questions. First one, you come across an object in your garden. How will you know if it is a living thing or not? Children, உங்க gardenல நீங்க அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் நம்ம நடந்து போகும்போது அதுல இருக்கிற செடிகள் இல்ல ஒரு தொட்டி ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் நம்ம அதை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? அது ஒரு லிவிங் திங்ஸ் இல்லனா அது ஒரு நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ்னா அதை நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? You think that or living things means it can grow, breathe, feel. Yes or no? It has life. But non-living things cannot grow, breathe, eat. It have no life also. Children, you think in your garden which are living things and which are non-living things. Is there any plant? That plant can grow or not? Yes, it can grow, breathe, feel. Then it is a living thing. Very good. But there is a stone. Is that living or non-living things? Non-living things, because it can't grow, breathe, move, feel. Yes or no? Are you understand about this lesson? Yes. We can feel. We can feel that things, living things or non-living things, because we can feel. We also a living thing. நம்மளும் ஒரு உயிருள்ள பொருள். அதனால நம்மளுக்கு நம்ம அந்த கார்டனில் இருக்கிற அந்த திங்ஸ் வந்து உயிருள்ளதா அல்லது நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ் உயிரற்றதான்னு நம்மளால் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Are you understand? Second one, living things respond to changes around them. living things வந்து என்ன செய்யும், அதோட சுற்றில உள்ள அந்த அரவுண்டில் சுற்றில என்ன நடக்குதோ அதுக்கு ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணும். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? லிவிங் திங்ஸ் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் டு சேஞ்ச் அரவுண்ட் them. In a day, direction and warmth of the sunlight changes. Make a comparison of your response with that of the sunflower to the changes in the sunlight in a day. Children, in a day, direction and warmth of the sunlight changes. ஒரு நாளைக்கு நம்மளோட sunlight எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது, அப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் பொழுது make a comparison of your response with that of the sunflower to the changes in the sunlight in a day. அந்த sunlight வந்து எந்த பக்கமாக மூவ் ஆகுதோ அதுக்கு ஏற்றாப்புல சன்ஃப்ளவரும் அதோட ஃபேஸை எப்படி வச்சுக்குவோம், நம்ம சன்னுக்கு நேராகவே அதை அந்த ஃபேஸை அப்படியே மூவ் பண்ணும். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் எ லிவிங் திங்ஸ், இட் கேன் ஃபீல் த சன்லைட். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சில்ட்ரன்? ஆர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? Children, now come to the first lesson page. I recall your lesson, living things and non-living things. We learn from this lesson what? Living things and non-living things, man-made and natural things. What are man-made things? Table, chair, cupboard, bag, book, computer, etc. But natural things, sun, moon, mountain, rivers, etc. Okay, but living things can move, reproduce, grow, feel, breathe and eat food. But non-living things cannot do any of these. Yes or no? Non-living things cannot move, breathe, feel. If we touch and if we beat them, they don't have any feel. They can't grow. They no need food. Yes or no? Okay. We learn from in this lesson also our living things, organs, sense organs, breathing organs. Yes or no? Stomata on a leaf and sparacles in an insect, and lungs in a man, gills in a fish. Living things also reproduce. Yes or no? Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Oxygen is a life supporting gas in the earth, and carbon dioxide for a plant, a gas in air absorbed by the plants to make food. Yes or no? Are you understand this lesson, children? Okay children, you must write the homework. Tomorrow I will check your homework. Every day you read the book, then you can understand. Okay children, take care.